Right.
So what I've started doing is try to focus more on a Zoom call
Mhm.
and do multiple appointments for the same 1 hour block. Like kind of how you guys are set up for
Yeah.
your admins, but more on a sales process. So like
Right.
when people join the call, now I'm presenting to maybe we get 10 people sign up and 3 show, you
Right.
know. And then now have a definite 3 people on a call for that 1 hour, and I'm doing a kind of like a quick webinar, showing them about what we can do for them. I'm doing right now. I have it set up on my. I created a separate calendar just for through Go High Level, just for
Mhm.
Zoom meetings. It's a 7 to 8 p.m.
Okay.
Or 7 to 7:30 p.m. on Tuesday and Thursday evening, and then Saturday mornings at 10:30.
Oh, that's freaking
So
perfect.
now I can instead of trying to call all these people at different time slots during the day,
Yeah.
and they don't show and I'm wasting my time, now I can just, maybe book like 10 of them at once in the
Mhm.
same hour and then go over the same information with all 10 of them.
Yep.
And the whole presentation is on why should you use us as a broker? What's the benefit of a broker? Why do you use brokers? You know, and so by the end of it, they're encouraged to go and do their application online.